check out our newest update. We have updated our ad affiliate flow. The intuitive UI update within the CRM revolutionizes the affiliate management system, making the process of adding and customizing affiliates seamless. Not only is this going to be seamless, but with this update, you're going to experience a hassle-free affiliate management process. You're going to be able to utilize advanced settings to personalize affiliate campaigns, and you can empower your affiliates with a magic link for effortless promotion. So imagine launching a new product or service and needing to quickly onboard affiliates for promotion. Well, with the advanced affiliate onboarding feature, you are going to be able to effortlessly add affiliates, customize their campaigns, and provide a magic link for instant engagement. This is going to ensure that a seamless, streamlined, and efficient affiliate strategy is helping you maximize your product's exposure and potential sales. So let's go ahead and add a new affiliate. So first you're going to go to marketing, and then in the upper navigation, you'll click on affiliate manager. From there, you're going to click the plus add button, and then in the drop down, you'll select plus new affiliate. Now let's go ahead and add in all of those affiliate details: name, email, their company name, and then you're going to also assign them to a campaign. Once you're done, let's go ahead and save and continue to add more details. So from here, we're going to finalize those details, and then we're going to go ahead and click done. Now, within the advanced settings, you're going to see different options like the referral ID and the coupon codes. So go ahead and fill those out as well. Once you're done, you're going to be able to create the magic link. And so you're simply going to share that magic link by copying it and sending it to your affiliate. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.